Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on my hair. So basically this is like an experimental video because this is my first time trying it and there were some fails that went on when trying this. But I think it came out, decent, for the first time and to have some fails going on. I like it. It's only gonna last me about a week. I use synthetic hair because you do use hair glue in this video, and I did not want to experiment a hairstyle that might not have came out good and be gluing track to my hair using expensive bundles. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing the process of getting my hair like this, keep watching.
So I got some Bobbi Boss Kinky Perm hair, which was only $10 per pack, and it's in the color pt.1 So we're going to start out on some blow-dried, freshly washed hair, and we're going to part it like how my hair is parted here. And you kind of want that dip because that's where your ponytail is going to go. So we're going to moisturize the scalp. Then we're going to moisturize the back with some Cantu Daily Oil Moisturizer. Then brush it through. Then go over it with some Eco Styler gel and brush that down. And then put it in a ponytail. So after it's in a ponytail, I'm just like twisting the hair around and then gonna pin it to my head. So if your hair is longer, this is for short hair, but if your hair is longer, you're gonna want to make sure that your bun is really small. Like, you don't have to braid your hair down, or you can braid your hair down if you want. So then I'm gonna take some Got To Be Glued Free spray and just spray that area many times. I sprayed that area about 3 times because you want your hair to be protected from this glue that we're going to use in a minute. And so I'm just combing it down, making sure all my hair is down, and then going over it with the blow dryer to make sure that my hair is dry and that it gets hard. And like I said, you want to do that process about 3 times so your hair is hard and protected. So this is what the hair looks like fresh out the pack. It's okay. It was pretty soft, but it's synthetic, so it doesn't stay too soft, but it was good. It reminds me of permed, kinky, natural hair. So I am measuring the track to see where I need to cut. And I'm using the just generic Super Bond hair glue and just putting the glue along that track. There's a certain way that I'm gonna glue these, so you can see me going upward in kind of like a U-shape, curved shape at the end, and there's a reason for that, and you'll see why when we're finished with the back. And don't worry about the little bun, you will not see that. Oh yeah, I'm just going and doing the same thing until I'm finished with the back, and I'm just blow drying to make sure that the glue is dried and the tracks are in place. So this is what I was talking about. See, you can't see the end of the track. This is a little mini singing break that I had to do. So we're almost done with the top. And we are finished with the back. So you see that it just looks more natural because of that part. And that top part right there is where our ponytail is going to go. And that's what the back is looking like. So now we're going to work on the top. And I just moisturized it the same exact way I did the back. And I'm just putting it into a ponytail, well, a little bun actually, and we're just getting our edges slicked right. So now I have some wrap paper and I'm just going to wrap it around my bun to protect my hair from what I thought I was about to do. You'll see in a minute. So I have this track and I put some glue on it, and I was just going to glue the track and wrap it around and, you know, keep gluing it so that it stayed. But as you can see, it's not really working out too good, and it's getting all over the rest of my hair. Ooh. So that was a fail. Take that off and let's just wipe it with a towel. So I ended up just wiping the glue off and then just bobby pinning it to my head, and that worked out. And we're just wrapping the ponytail around. So as we can see, this is not working because you can clearly see the white part. The ponytail is not thick enough. So I tried to do a bun, and that was a little bit difficult to do too because it didn't really look right. So yeah, we just discarded that. I just took off the paper because there was no need for it. So I just added another track to this ponytail and I just wrapped it around and it made it thicker. You couldn't see it, and that's what it looks like. Then we take a piece from the back, make sure it's brushed and flat. Just wrap it around so you can't see the track part. And boom, bobby pin. Bobby pins were my savior in this hairstyle. And that's the ponytail, and then I just adjust it a little bit. So I put some flexi rods because I was going for like a wavy, like a loose curl type thing. So here I am, I'm just spraying some hairspray on it, and then I'm just going to go to sleep just like that, no scarf. This is the next morning, and we're going to see that the flexi rods did not a daggone thing for these curls, and I was so mad that the hair did nothing. I've used synthetic hair and it created some type of curl, but this hair did nothing. And yeah, major fail. Major. There was like one piece that actually curled, and then that was it, and I just had to brush it out. But whatever, this is what the outcome was, and I was so happy with it. I thought it was a cute hairstyle that was quick and easy, and it did last me a whole week. If you're interested in seeing how the process of taking this out was, stay tuned for my next video, which is the takedown. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.